Hey guys, it's Kim, Angel Dream Crafts, and I wanted to come on and share something exciting with you. I'm sure that you see by the title of the video that I am nearly at 5,000 subbies, which I cannot even believe it. I am shocked. But I wanted to mark the milestone with you guys because you've all been so incredibly supportive to me, and I've made such wonderful friends here on YouTube that I've had for a long time, and new friends, and you guys are just all amazing. You come to my classes every week, and I just cannot thank you enough. So I wanted to do something really nice for you guys. So it's a giveaway, but a tiny, tiny bit of a challenge. All you have to do to enter is be a subscriber. You have to be over 18, and you have to answer a question. And that's it. You don't have to send me anything. You don't have to do anything else. The question that I would like you to answer is, what type of videos do you like to see on my channel? Do you like mixed media? Do you like tutorials? Do you like shabby projects, vintage, paper crafting? I really do all of it. Fabric projects. I'm going to hopefully do some sewing tutorials very, very soon for you guys. So that'll be coming up. But let me know what you like to see on my channel. And all you have to do is write that in the comment section below this video. If you don't answer the question, then your name will not be put in the drawing. And the reason I'm doing that is because I know when people give things away on their channel, a lot of other YouTubers will say, just subscribe to have a chance at winning something. Well, I want you guys to answer the question, because if you answer that question, then I'll know you've been watching and you've been around. My videos are all there for you to look through and see what you like, but I really want you to answer that question. So again, if you do not answer the question, your name will not be put in the drawing. You can do a VR if you wish. If you do a VR, then I need you to come back to this video and put a link to your VR in the comment section along with your answer to the question. Just because I don't want to miss it if you do a VR. If you end up doing a VR, you will get 2 entries. So one to answer the question, be a subscriber and over 18, and a second one to do a VR. So you will get an extra entry if you do a VR. So that's why I need you to make sure that you put the link to your VR in the description box. So that way you'll end up getting both of your entries. The prize is this. When I made this book, I had this in mind as the prize. So this is what I'm going to be giving away. I just did a video on this showing all the inside of the book. I made it in neutrals with a little bit of pink because I knew that you guys kind of like those colors, but this is what I want to give away. You will also be receiving other little goodies, which will be a surprise. So that will, whoever wins, you will get extra goodies. So here's the inside of the book if you haven't seen it. It has the extra flap on it. There's a pocket here, beautiful bling, lots of laces and trims and bling, ribbon, vintage pieces here from Miss Olivia, and the buttons are vintage. And there's the extra flat piece there. And the outside, and it's got all these gorgeous dangle laces on the bottom, beautiful bow bling. And it ties up like this with the flap this way, and the outside is made with some vintage curtain fabric. And lots of bling and beautiful ribbon flowers. So that is the prize for my 5,000 subscriber giveaway. I cannot thank you guys enough for being so supportive, like I said, and I just want to do something to give back to you guys. So that will be the prize. I'm keeping this open for 2 weeks. So I will close this on the 30th of September. And today's the 15th, so that's 15 days, 2 weeks. So you have until the 30th of September to answer the question, what type of videos do you like to see on my channel? Be a subscriber and be over 18. And if you do a video response, please put the link to your video response in your comments in the answers down below underneath this video. I won't be replying to the comments, but I will heart them so you know I've seen it, because when I pick the winner, I just want to print off the names that are there, and then we'll do a drawing with everybody that's replied. So please answer the question. If you don't answer the question, your name will not be in it. I cannot stress that enough. You must answer the question, and I won't be reminding people if they don't answer the question. So answer the question. What type of videos do you like to see on my channel? Answer that. 18 or over, be a subscriber, and if you do a VR, you get 2 entries. So fairly simple, nothing too hard. You don't have to mail anything, but mostly I just want to say thank you to all of you for being so wonderful and talented and amazing and kind and generous and entering my challenges when I have them and just being awesome. You guys are just awesome and amazing. So I really want to thank you. And celebrate this 5,000 subscriber milestone with all of you by, putting up a prize for you with some of my work. So I hope you like the prize. I hope you'll all enter. Let me know what you think, and definitely answer the question in the comment section. And thank you so, so much. I love you all so much. Mwah! Take care, guys. Thank you. Bye-bye.